Okay, so I got in this Viper model. I've been really excited to get this one. It came in this box. Came from Albatross America. Not really. Came from AliExpress. But LB Diecast is actually selling this one, so looks like all the white Vipers that I got sold out on Ali, but they're still available from LB Diecast. And I haven't opened it up yet because I've been wanting to do my first impression live on video. I am super curious to see how this turned out. Oh my word. Oh, there's the in the background. Oh, that is so cool. Own model 64. Age 14 plus. I love the doodle in the background. That is super cool. You can't tell by my logo for Part-Time Collector, I'm a bit of a Viper fanatic. The wheels look kind of weird, but very cool. I like the simplistic packaging. Viper ACR. Holy smokes. This thing came really scuffed up. Is the back okay? The back's okay, so I can just swap it. But that really just... You're kidding me. What did I... That sucks. Why would they package it to where this can break off so easy? Apparently you have to unscrew the Viper to take off. I'm so bummed right now. Why? Why would they design the package this way? Just gonna try and ignore that. So it looks like this is limited to one of 999 pieces. Try not to be sad. Very cool engine. Looks like the tampo didn't go all the way around. So the valve covers aren't completely red. Looks like the coolant bottle or reservoir or master cylinder. Actually not sure what bottle that'd be on the Viper, but it's got a bit of a tampo on there. It's kind of cool. See some nice detail in the interior, especially the red line on the steering wheel. Well, since the wing spoiler's off, you can see better in the back window, I guess. It's got red calipers. It's got red calipers. That's so cool. Can you even see that? Hold on. There we go. See this red calipers. Not the biggest fan of the wheels. Still very cool though. Like that. It's actually really well detailed. You got the separate lenses, or the clear red lenses. You got the carbon fiber tampo going on. Oops. Grill is one piece. See if I can get this wing back on. Deep breath of relief. It actually just sticks back on. It's almost like it's meant to come off, so if yours pops off, hopefully it'll be okay, like mine. I did notice that the mirrors have little mirror stickers on there. Very cool. All right, let's take this off. Okay. Well, I would have expected more detail for a $30 model. Is this a O-ring? Yeah, little cushions to keep it flat. That's interesting. At least they did fat tires in the back, so I appreciate that. I think I will be super gluing that on the wing. That just flew off. That sucks. It's okay. It's okay. All right, you guys always ask, does it roll? No, not really. You can see the back tire, our back wheels are seized. The front goes fine, but this is not a roller. How hard is it gonna be to take apart? Not too bad. I gotta see the interior. The interior looks pretty well detailed. So I found out something when taking off the bottom. Be very careful. The little, I'm guessing those struts, they go through holes in the splitter in the front. So don't break those off. Be very careful. That's pretty cool. Cool little detail that they're there, but be careful. There is very small holes. So that's the interior piece. And the interior. So you can actually see it's got a screen. I have no idea what it says. The dash has no detail, or the gauge cluster. And there's no seat belts. But the e-brake, parking brake, stick shift, the knobs are all tampoed. Wonder if I can zoom in. Whoop, where are we going, phone? Yeah, I can't read that. So, interesting. It's both a well-detailed and light-detailed interior. Hard plastic on the back, no detail there either, which don't think there would be on the actual car. Okay, so got that all done. It looks like there's magnets on there. Keep that sealed. Nice. Even though it's not see-through, looks like they did put some kind of plastic mesh or something on here. These look like 3D mesh. That's pretty cool. Yep, that is magnetic. So, there we go. Now it stays in place. Now you can see the model in all its glory. And I did break off the other strut bar at the front. So, this model was never meant to be taken apart. So I'm missing mine. Kind of a bummer, but it's still clean looking in the front for me. I like it. Actually quite a bit of a gap on the front from the hood. Guess it's also meant to not have the hood on it. Still very cool, and that makes me so sad. I will definitely be super gluing that on so it stops popping off. You barely touch it and it just flies. So anyways guys, let me know if you've picked up one of these Vipers. I will probably be buying a second one because I kind of ruined this one, unfortunately. And if you plan on taking it apart, plan on giving yourself about 10 plus minutes to get it back together. the wheels only go on one way because I kept putting them on backwards, so the rotors or the calipers were in the wrong spots. They were like upside down. So this is very specific to which side, and the freaking calipers and the rotors kept sliding out of the wheels while trying to put it back together. And this was also very tough to take apart. So it's definitely not one for taking apart, but this is definitely one for display only. I'm very happy to have this one, and I might be picking up the other colors from LP Diecast. So maybe that's what I can do, and this can be my race version. Because it's already broken, but I don't know. If I glue the wing back on, I'll be happy. I'm not too worried about the splitter bars. So if you have one, let me know in the comments what you think. Are you going to pick up the other colors? I think there's a black and a blue one right now. Very cool model. As always, happy hunting. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The 2 videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.